everyone. Honorable Chairman, respected Manjula Madam, Principal Madam, esteemed teachers, proud parents, and dear friends, I am overwhelmed with joy and pride as we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, the graduation day of our little wonders. Today we have come together to acknowledge the spirit of learning, perseverance, and growth that has brought us to this milestone. Beloved Principal Madam, your support and guidance have inspired our younger graduates to reach new heights. To our caring teachers, thank you for your tireless support in shaping young minds like us. To our proud parents, your unwavering support has been instrumental in us for our success. Thank you for guiding us for our future. And to my dear friends, for joy and make this occasion even more special. Let's celebrate the achievements of graduates, and we wish them all the best for their future aspects.